Hello everyone, this is Beth with Pearl Treasure Designs here once again with today's challenge collaboration. We're going to get right into the crafting today, but we will have more to say about our wonderful hosts and co-hosts later on this video. So let's head to the craft studio and see what we got going on. My daughter eyed this one out at our local Goodwill, so I had to take pictures of the before and you'll get to see what it looks like after. So it's that time again. Let's like, share, and subscribe to my channel so y'all can see some more amazing content coming your way. Well guys, I had an audience for this one. My daughter's sitting there in the recliner and my dog Lincoln is sitting in the back there in his recliner. And pretty soon you're going to see Bandit coming through the background. Yeah, they all had to have their nosy bits in it. But here I am trying to figure out what I needed to do to take these little stubby legs off. So they were secured with a star bit screw. So I ended up taking each of those off, and underneath each of them was also an adhesive pad, I guess to hold them in place. But man, those things are stinkers getting off the wood, so we had to do a little extra work with that. But you'll get to see how long this process took. This project, it did not require a ton of work for what I wanted this piece for. I literally wanted this piece to sit between my two recliners, and I felt the color matched, but it was just way too low. So you'll get to see what I do with this in just a few minutes. That straight edge did help me get off a lot of that adhesive foam paper so that my leg supports that I have to drill into the piece would sit level. Okay. So the 6-inch legs I've prepared, I've got the mechanisms to screw them to this side table. They do have a slight slant to it. I didn't want it to stand upright and tip over, so I opted for the slanted mechanism so that I could just screw them and have maybe a 15-degree slant to the legs to keep it from tipping over. More of a safety feature that I wanted. And I kept the legs the natural color to give it some contrast with my dark furniture. So sizing it up, screwing these pieces into place, it just took me some time to line it up and make sure my screws didn't split the wood. Now you're going to see how this worked. I wanted to make sure that the wood pieces stayed in place for this renovation. The final reveal. Hey there, thanks for watching. A big shout out to all my subscribers out there. And to each one who gave a thumbs up and commented, that really helps us all grow our channels so we can continue to bring this amazing content. I have a favor to ask though. Could you please like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel? Together we can make this a better place to do life. Until next time, see you later.